Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and a lot is going on in the cryptoverse today. So you can see here, Bitcoin kind of bottomed out. A lot of different coins bottomed out around that $42,755 price point, and they all bottomed out, like I said, around April 8th, about 9:40 a.m.-ish. And it's great to see this take place because we've seen a nice jump and recovery off of that dip in that bottom. So there's a huge potential for a nice run now. I do want to say, though, there's a lot to talk about today before we jump into the exchange. If we take a look at Twitter, we are actually giving away $2,500 this week since we didn't get to 50K Bitcoin. Retweet and follow to enter. DM goes out Saturday. So this is a huge opportunity for any of you guys. Follow me, Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. Retweet this tweet, like the tweet, follow me. You'll get entered. I do want to jump over to the next tweet, though. This is huge. So Walmart and McDonald's are amongst many to accept BTC via Lightning Network. Jack Mallers announced it in Miami that Bitcoin will be available via Lightning Network to over 400K storefronts and all Shopify or US Shopify sites. So that's absolutely massive, a huge really a recognition of accessibility to Bitcoin use. And we're going to continue to see that grow as use cases grow in Bitcoin. They grow, obviously, in crypto altogether. I do want to jump, though, over to the exchange now. So high-speed, zero-fee blockchain, no KYC exchange, cross-chain ecosystem, decentralized innovation. So there's reasons people are getting involved with Xodex, and I want to talk a little bit about that. So they do have an audit report from TechRate, which kind of goes over all of the details on their audit. You always want to jump into an exchange or a coin that has an audit because then you know that there's people that have looked at it. They made sure that it was safe. They made sure that there was no really big security issues. So definitely take a look at that audit if you want to learn a little bit more about it. But they have the contract address here. So Xodex is the symbol, decimal 18, obviously the BSC network, giving you very, very low fees. So if you want to buy Xodex, we'll jump into all the reasons as to why you may want to. But before we do that, PancakeSwap is going to be the way to buy Xodex. You'll just hit I understand, import, put your wallet address in, and you are good to go. Obviously, wallet address, you'll just hit connect, and then you'll select MetaMask, Binance Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. Very, very simple. You guys have used PancakeSwap before. So I want to jump down back to Xodex and talk a little bit more about this blockchain. So the Xodex blockchain, a high-speed, zero-fee blockchain with DeFi protocols, NFT projects, and dApps facilitating the creator's economy with cross-chain exploration. They have 100% APR staking, zero gas blockchain, NFT marketplaces, and then this startup launchpad as well. So Xodex aims to offer high transaction throughput, and their blockchain can achieve a remarkable TPS up to 100K, fast transaction finality, and almost zero fees. Their proof of authority or POA consensus combines decentralization with streamlined, scalable, and environment-friendly transaction processing. So the blockchain will integrate with DeFi protocols, NFT projects, dApps, GameFi, and the metaverse. So there's huge reasons as to why people are getting involved, and one of the main is, like I said, the product itself, the exchange, no KYC, low fees, spot trading, futures leverage trading, P2P trading. There's reasons people are getting on board as well. It's the tokenomics. So the tokenomics make this coin, much, much better than without them. So 3% marketing, 4% development, 3% rewards, and 1% charity. So you know exactly where the tokens are going. And last but not least, the roadmap. Obviously, something that you're going to want to listen to a little bit more is what is going on with the roadmap. So what's coming with Xodex? What makes it special in the long run? And there's reasons to believe that we are going to continue to see this roadmap build. But before we jump into the roadmap and jump into a little bit more details on Xodex, I do want to jump over to WEYU. So WEYU is an NFT not really a launch pad, but an NFT marketplace to where you can actually get in and on board with some of the best NFTs in the space. Well, get ready for the biggest month in WEYU history. You can see here in the bottom left, WEYU token bridges to Solana, WEYU staking 650% plus APY, and then WEYU NFT marketplace live as well. Last but not least, the WEYU new roadmap revealed. So if we actually go over to WEYU, and I kind of wanted to just kind of integrate this into today's video because this is important into the kind of urgent matter of this exchange, the big coins basically coming out every single day. We also had big announcements today with the Walmart and McDonald's accepting BTC via Lightning payments. So there's a lot of reasons I kind of wanted to integrate a bunch of important stuff into today's video. So this is very, very important. Like I said, WEYU is on a very, very low price point, very low market cap right now. The idea is you can buy this at a very, very low price point, and you're going to at least see it rise. I'm not sure how high we're going to see it rise, but I definitely think this coin is going to have a very nice takeoff here in the next couple of months. If we take a look here at WEYU, we believe that the key adoption starts with the user. We drive towards a multi-accessible NFT future where no one is left behind. So you can see a bunch of different parts of this phase. So you have WEYU World, you have Project X, WEYU World, WEDAO, EVM, obviously. WEYU World is going to be a big part of this roadmap, but they have Project Z, staking, bridge to Solana marketplace, community mining, which is an earning feature, We Launch, and WEYU Pieces. So a lot of cool stuff in this roadmap, a lot of reasons as to why people are trying to get involved with WEYU. I will have links, by the way, for the exchange because we're going to talk about that more, and also WEYU down in the description below. If you guys want to check out any of the details from today's video, it'll definitely be there for you. So the cool thing about Xodex, we'll get back to this, is that they have a CoinMarketCap listing, CoinGecko listing, staking up to 100% APR, CEX listings for Xodex, blockchain launch, iOS and Android wallet app, DeFi protocols, NFT projects, dApps and integrations. Huge things coming to the community as well as we continue to see it grow up to 10,000 to 30,000 Telegram group, wallet holders being over 5,000. They're going to go jumping straight into leverage, futures trading, mass adoption of the blockchain itself, exchange, beta launch, a lot of great stuff. And they also talk about some of the rewards and benefits. So staking, users on the Xodex network will be able to stake their tokens and receive up to 100% APR issued in BUSD stablecoins as an incentive to hold and support the network. We also have the token burn. So 5% of all tokens burnt on launch will also burn tokens periodically according to the volume and market conditions. Then you can see the token distributions just so you know where all the funds are at and where they're going. There's a lot of reasons as to why people are getting involved, like I said, and all links of today's video will be down in the description below. So check out Xodex. They have a Telegram. They obviously have a website. You can learn a little bit more about the project, the white paper we haven't jumped into, and it's been featured on a lot of different great articles. So if you take a look here, Xodex announces no KYC blockchain project, March 30th, 2022. This one came out. A lot of great articles talking about Xodex and the exchange altogether. So a lot of hype surrounding this project. But we'll see what happens. We'll continue to keep you guys up to date on this coin and exchange, as well as so much more crypto. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and turn notifications on. And once again, if you have not jumped over to Twitter, Crypto Profit YT on Twitter, giving away that $2,500 this week since we didn't get to 50K Bitcoin, make sure to retweet and like this tweet. It'll get you entered to win a lot of money. So I hope you guys do win. Hope the loyal followers that have been watching for a while do get their share. So I'll see you guys all in the next one.